Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about making noodles pakora. So let's start. Add 2 cups of besan, 4 to 5 chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper, half tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well. So now I am taking half sliced onions, half sliced bell pepper, half grated potato and half grated carrots. Let's mix them well and add the water gradually. With half tablespoon of turmeric powder, add 1 packet of cooked noodles. Mix it well. Fry them on medium flame. Flip them and place it on a plate. So yeah, your pakoras are ready to serve. If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button for instant notification.